Each year, Global Teaching Partners proudly recognizes one teacher as the Global Educator of the Year. The application consists of 3 portions: completing a Google form with some short answer responses, asking your administrator, coach, or supervisor for a letter of recommendation, and finally, the portfolio. Your portfolio allows you to share your personality and passion. It's open-ended, so you may choose to create a video, a slideshow, or something different. Most strong applications will include a teacher introduction. In this portion of the portfolio, you can share about yourself and your story. You may share about your teaching history, reasons for joining Global Teaching Partners, and even your teaching philosophy. This really gives us a chance to hear about your why and what motivates you to show up for your students each and every day. Strong portfolios often include classroom successes. Some teachers may choose to share data that they're proud of, from assessments, EOGs, M-Class, iReady, whatever makes them proud. They may also choose to showcase special class activities, presentations, or projects. Many teachers will share about how they've contributed to their school in a meaningful way. Maybe you'll share about your positivity and accessibility in your school building. Maybe you're known as the teacher who loves to sing or the one who always gives high fives. If you've joined a committee, run a club, coached a sport, you can highlight that. It's a great chance to show how your unique interests and passions help to make your school a better place. Teachers may also share if they've brought community members into their classroom, recognitions they've received, or ways they've inspired their students to think more globally. Some teachers may choose to include coworker and student testimonials. While it's not required, it's a nice way to include your school community into your portfolio. You really never know what lovely things people want to say about you until you ask them to share. Finally, teachers often highlight how they've shared their home culture during their time in the United States. They can share successes from their cross-cultural activities, explain how they bring bits of their home to their classroom, describe school assemblies, heritage months, maybe potlucks, or even their involvement in the broader community outside the walls of their own classroom. Your portfolio is a chance to document your journey, be creative, and really let your personality shine. We hope you apply.